Back in the village, when I was living with my parents, my mom loves to make her yam pepper soup with just crayfish and head of catfish and oda. I don't know what's the English name, this black stuff you're seeing here, and scent leaf. And guys, it always comes out very delicious. So on this fateful day, I was craving for that exact same yam pepper soup. So I went to the market. I got my dried catfish and one other fish. And then I got my oda. I don't know the English name, like I said earlier. And I got my scent leaf also. I had my crayfish at home. So I made it, and guys, it came out really so delicious. So whenever I'm making my pepper soup, be it yam pepper soup or any other thing called pepper soup, I usually add a little oil. It is very optional, but I love to add it. So at this point, I added my scent leaf. Guys, this was so delicious. At this very moment, the aroma in my kitchen was nose blinding. It came out so delicious. I was thinking nobody was going to like it, but guys, everyone enjoyed it. So tell me, do you think this is what you can try, or have you tried it before? Or do you prefer the goat meat and chicken method? Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.